Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, and we're back. Make sure to like and subscribe because I gotta be quiet, guys, because my brothers are still sleeping, guys. They in the room opposite me, so when I come through this room, the room is like next to this hole over here. This hole over here, facing to my brother's room, guys. So I gotta be quiet because if I talk loud. So I also have neighbors that literally loves by my cousin. Well, my cousin, she is not here now. She is the girl that I used to fall with in October, guys. 26th of October. That girl I used to fall with. She is my cousin, guys. She's my cousin. Guys, I do have edits on CapCut, so you guys might gonna want to search Ilse Peterson if you guys want to see, guys. By.com. So yeah, guys, and then I'll be back to my skincare. But bye bye. And we're leaving at I'm going to my grandma's house, so I'm gonna get ready. But I'm gonna first finish my breakfast, and then I'm gonna go and get ready. Go my guys. But yeah, so we're leaving at like 12 and then we're back 4, so bye bye. So guys, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna brush my hair. I'm gonna brush my teeth and then I'm gonna brush my hair and then I'm gonna do makeup. So my face and my teeth all washed and now it's time to do my hair. But y'all aren't gonna see me do my hair, but I'll show you guys when I'm done. But guys, my hair looks but it might look cute, guys, but it's not gonna look really good. But I'm gonna put my bonnet on so it look cuter. But yeah, time to do my makeup. Guys, I didn't have my father's photo because my cousin took it and she forgot it. So, yeah, so I don't have my father's photo. But I was going to go and get more stock, but my mom forgot to take me to photo yesterday, so I couldn't go. But I'm just going to put on my purple bonnet because I have a collection of bonnets, guys. For my skincare,